How to redeem Expedia points. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll learn how to redeem your points on your Expedia account while booking a flight or anything else. But before that, if you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe as we promise to bring you more awesome videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. To redeem our Expedia points, simply open your browser and head over to Expedia. Type in expedia.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Expedia. It is a flight booking website where you can book vacations and more. Once you're on the expedia.com, ensure that you're logged into your account. If not logged in, you won't be able to redeem your points. Once the home interface loads out, make sure that you're logged in. Now click on your name in the top right-hand side corner of your screen, and as soon as you do that, you will be presented with different options, such as account, list of favorites, feedback, and sign out. Click on the account option over here. And now in the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down and click on Coupons. As soon as you do that, if you have points to redeem, type in here. In my case, I do not have any coupons or credits in my account, so coupons and credits issued for cancelled trips will appear here when available. So if you have points, you will see them here along with the instructions on how to use them when booking a flight. Follow the instructions on the left-hand side on how to use the airline credits and coupons. This way, you can easily redeem your Expedia points when booking a flight. We hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, please like and share and subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.